Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. For Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're going to try to make some savory pancakes. So check it out. Alright, I'm going to make my savory pancakes. I'm just going to follow the pancake box instructions. So 2 cups all-purpose Bisquick baking mix. That's what I got here. A cup of milk and 2 eggs. And then I'm going to add a few savory ingredients to that. Alright, I'm just going to do a quick drink to go with my savory pancakes. This is called a Dirty Dr. Pepper. So we're going to go 1 ounce of Amaretto. Just building it over ice. And then I got a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon whiskey. You can do any kind of cinnamon liqueur like Goldschlager. I just got a little bit of Fireball. So that's a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon. A lot of the recipes for Dirty Dr. Pepper call for equal parts cola and beer. I'm just going with the straight cola today. And then some nice maraschino cherries as a garnish. And that's a Dirty Dr. Pepper. So I gotta go round up Mookie for the appetizer. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.